The big bunches, yeah.
I can only dog pack.
He's certainly not bothered, is he?
I think the fellow knows Vincent very well. Eh?
He's moving, he's moving. Look, okay. He's moving. I wanted to see if he had his mouth. He's had enough sun, yeah. He's a big boy.
You see the croc moving.
Oh, is that the one that was over there?
Is it threatened?
No, he looks like the dad.
You see the big stomach?
We have on Chubby River.
Yeah, with the big stomach, normally their main guides here at.
You know, this crocodile is massive. He's probably about 80, 90 year old. You know, you can just hear the power in his jaws here. See that? Massive. Just unbelievable pressure coming down like that. And you do not want to get caught in that. I've seen when they've grabbed hold of pigs before and their whole sort of head gets crushed like a tic tac. I just looked at the size of that animal. Like, he is huge. There's a normal leg of ham that you'd have for Christmas that would last you for a month or so. For him, it lasts him about 3 or 4 days. As a kid, I wanted a 8-foot python. Now I'm a bit older, I get that 17-foot crocodile. He's a good boy, but he would eat me in a heartbeat.